Before starting this video, you should watch this clip from my recent videos. So I was just sitting and painting one of my commission works, and suddenly I get to realize, yes, I have to be precise in this work. Although my commission works are also not that much of precise, because I don't like to draw them like that. That is why I only do work of those clients who like my work, my style, and give me the liberty of work. But then also, for my satisfaction, I have to do a bit precisely and have to focus on how it is going. And my heart went on a series of mine of painting, which are painting with dull watercolors. Exactly like that, I have drawn this one also, so enjoy the process. See you soon. Peace out.
Stop.